So my name's Nick, and we're at the BRR deep dive session this week.
Incredible. And how has it been?
It's been really good, yeah, really informative. I'm a landlord myself, but all my experience is in single lets. So part of my journey now is deciding what's next for me. So looking to educate myself around like-minded people just to see what the next steps are.
Incredible. So you signed up for the academy this week.
I have, yeah.
What made you do that?
I did my due diligence essentially. So I've been on the crash course, I signed up for this course, and I wanted to see the information, I wanted to sample the environment and understand if it was for me. I was pretty sure I was going to sign up, and I was sold immediately. Just being around, as I say, like-minded people in the property game, ambitious people, friendly people. It's the sort of community that I want to be a part of. Samuel's obviously incredibly knowledgeable, as are all the mentors. And it's like anything in life, isn't it? If you surround yourself by good people, then you can grow yourself.
Incredible. And tell me about what it's like kind of being in the room with Samuel, watching him work. And I guess that's how a lot of people get deals actually in the room.
Yeah.
Tell me what it's like seeing that.
Yeah, well, it's the network, isn't it? There's the chap earlier. I think there's 76 viewings he booked. So it does show that if you've got the hustle, if you've got the commitment, you could achieve anything. So being in the room around like-minded people, it's inspiring.
Incredible. And final question, to people who are thinking about getting into property, tell me why this is the place they should start.
I think I've probably covered a lot of that. I think that, as I said, the network's the key thing. You're around people, you're around ambitious people, the sort of people you want to learn from. The mentorship is key for me as well. Any questions, you've got solicitors, accountants, mortgage experts on hand at any time. As I say, I'm a landlord myself. It can be a lonely game at times. Aside from estate agents and tenants, you don't really have that many like-minded people to chat to naturally. But being here today, meeting plenty of new people, you build a community and you build a network. And looking forward to seeing what the next stages are.